Alright, so like I told y'all before, about to teach y'all how to do what? Calculating percentages. This is what we're about to do, okay? So, how we're going to do this? We're going to do it by using an equation, alright? So, let's say we're going to connect this to your real life. Let's say you go and you wake up one morning and you watching the news, the hip-hop news, you know what I'm saying? And Drake and Eminem, they finna come and do a concert in your city, you know what I'm saying? And let's say Wyandotte County, yeah. They're gonna come and do a little concert, some little center, some little town building, community center out there, you know what I'm saying? And the tickets are $56. But because you're part of the Eminem and Drake fan club, you got an email saying you get 38% off your tickets. So, the tickets are $56, okay? So, in order to calculate this, we're going to do 38% of 56. And when you write your problem in the equation, X should be your 38% of 56, which we don't know. That's why it's a variable, of course. Alright? Next, you should know that when you do use an equation, 38% times your total, 56. So you have 0.38 times 56. This is going to be your step 1, okay? You're going to turn your percentage into a decimal and multiply it by your total. So you're going to take that 38% off and multiply by the $56 total. And when you do that, you should get 21.28, okay? 21.28. Now, how did I do that? We start at 38 by 56. And of course, you have to remember, 2 spaces are behind your decimal for your final answer, okay? And after you do all this magic work, as you can see here, that I've nicely done for you, you get 21.28. Alright? So we're going to recap finding the percentage, okay? Step 1 is to write an equation and let X represent the part you're trying to find. Step 2 is to write the percentage as a decimal and multiply. Nice and easy. So, when you go to buy your tickets, you know, you can really only be paying $34.72 because you're going to take $21.28 from 56 because that was your discount, and you get $34.72 instead of $56. Can you say bargain? You know what I'm saying? Okay, and maybe you like the Royals or the Miami Heat, and you part of the Royals fan club or the Miami Heat fan club, whatever, it don't matter because I'm a Chicago Bulls fan, and you get 75% off $210 tickets. Your tickets are $210, okay? 210, okay? 210. But since you're part of the fan club, you get 75% off. What's our first step once again? Multiply 0.75 by 210, okay? When you do that, you got this nice, lovely work that I've done here. You remember there are 2 spots behind the decimal. And what do you get? 157.50, okay? 157.50, okay? So, what do you do next? You subtract 157.50 from 200, and what do you get? $22.50. $22.50 instead of them $200 tickets. You know what I'm saying? And why do you get to do this? Because you listen to Mr. Swag, okay? AKA Mighty Mouse Thurman in your class. And he taught you how to do this. So then that you could do it. And you didn't have to pay $210. Because if you pay $210, then you can't eat. And if you can't eat, then you pass out from a heat stroke. And if you pass out from a heat stroke, then you go to the hospital. And if they don't take care of you right, you die. So look at everything that can happen. Because you paid $210. It is depressing. I know, America. That's why we need free healthcare. But that's aside the point, okay? All these cards, all these papers could save your life. Could save you that $157 or that $21, okay? It could save it all, okay? It really could. It could save you all that money. And then you can go back and you can buy Eminem t-shirts and Royals t-shirts and Drake CDs and Miami Heat bands that I'm going to burn because I'm a Chicago Bulls fan. But that's beside the point. Okay? Thank you for watching and learning how to do your percentages.